So hey guys, this is Raghuvanshi. Today's topic is Moza Mini MX unboxing. So without wasting time, let's start this unboxing video.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
So guys, here you can see the box, and after opening it, here you can see another black box with super packaging. And if you open, here you can see the editing guide card, and this is the gimbal, charging cable and storage pouch, and here you can see the mini tripod. So let's see the setup. So guys, now expand the hand grid clockwise and also the tilt axis, and now arrange the mini tripod, and it look like this. So guys, in the next, here you can see the phone holder, and here you can see the FN button, and after that here you can see the joystick, and after that here you can see the zoom plus and minus button, and after that this is the power indicator, and the next after that here you can see the type C charging port, and down of that here you can see the reset button, and this is the hand grid, and this is smart trigger, and it will be full charged in 24 hours. And guys, you can also single press the FN button to start or stop the recording. And guys, you can also zoom in and out by using this option called zoom plus and minus. And guys, there is also an app called Moza Genie. With this app you can control the gimbal, and after opening the app, just click on the Bluetooth option, then connect to the Moza Mini MX, and then click on this option called sports gear mode in gimbal parameter settings. And then you can see in this app the magic mode. In this mode you can see the best modes. If you are the one who needs inspiration, and if you want to make your videos very clearly, you can use this modes, and you can just like it's a tutorial. So that's it guys. I know it's a small unboxing video, but that's it about the gimbal. So thank you for watching guys, and I'll meet you in the next one.
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।